Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we've got the Oceanic Alpha 10 Octopus. So this is an upgraded version of the sort of Alpha 9. It's really their best sort of octo. They've got a few other octos on the market, but this is their most sort of up-to-date one. Uses the same style and design as the Alpha 10 primary, except you've got the bright yellow sort of coloration to it, making it an octo, making it sort of easy to spot in an emergency. So as you can tell, it comes as standard with a braided hose, and this is that sort of high-vis yellow, so really stands out even in sort of dark environments. The braided hose, much more flexible and much lighter than a traditional rubber hose, so it's real flexible. You can sort of tighten the knot and it won't cut off airflow. It's a good sort of alternative to a rubber hose, and it doesn't add too much weight to your regulator set. The second stage itself has an integrated purge button. So that's all solid. You've got a little bit of movement in that, not too much, so you're not pushing it all the way in. You've got adjustable Venturi, so you can interrupt a free flow sort of before it occurs. So that's particularly useful on an octo, because the octo typically sits on your hip. As soon as you jump in, they tend to free flow, but if you can interrupt that before it even starts, it's fantastic. Comes as standard with an orthodontic or an orthodontic mouthpiece. So where it's really soft material around the mouthpiece, so it's comfortable. The bit that you actually bite down on, this is quite hard, so it's hard wearing, especially when you're biting down on it. So you've got a new sort of funky exhaust tee on this as well. The little graduations, they just reduce the sort of exhaust effort and sort of push the bubbles away from your face. So this is designed to US Navy Class A standards, so it's a good sort of reliable regulator. It's pneumatically balanced as well, so it's going to deliver a constant sort of level of air. And without the hose, the second stage itself just weighs 6 ounces, so it's very, very light thanks to these sort of techno polymers. All in all, it's a good little second stage, fantastic for either sort of the Delta 5 or the Alpha 10. It's a nice little octo. This is the Alpha 10 Octopus from Oceanic. Thanks for watching. Safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.